Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a super nice, natural, sleek look. No baby hairs. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. I feel like I'm rushing y'all. I'm so sorry, my memory is about to be full any second. But let's get into this here, because then honestly, this might be the quickest install y'all will ever see. So what I might do is just probably add some baby hairs to it after I cut off the lace, and that's probably about it, to be honest, because it's nothing really much for me to do. Like, it's not really nothing for me to do. So with that being said, let's get this lace laid, honey. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Very much nice, sleek, simple, and natural looking. No baby hairs, of course. I've been feeling the no baby hairs look as of lately. But if you guys like this look, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.